Hello everyone, this time I presented about Abdullah Hehamahua dan pandangan tentang agama dan korupsi. Well, the both din and corruption. Corruption, background of the corruption problem. Corruption is not of the biggest problem facing the Indonesian nation today. Korupsi adalah sebuah masalah yang besar di Indonesia, di negara Indonesia ini. The corruption practical not only harm state financial but also undermine public trust in the government and weekly social justice. Korupsi bukan hanya masalah keuangan, tapi juga masalah tentang pemerintahan dan sosial. Various legal measures have been taken, but corruption continues to occur systematically and on a same scale. Sebuah legalitas yang tidak patut dilakukan atau dilaksanakan adalah korupsi, karena itu berkesinambungan dan berkelanjutan terhadap sistem-sistem yang ada. Abdullah Hemahua believed that the failure to eradicate corruption is due to an approach that places too much emphasis on legal aspect, while moral and religious aspects are often relegated. In fact, religion plays an important role in shape to integrating and ethical awareness of the public official. Oleh karena itu, adanya Abdullah Hemahua, dia percaya bahwa sebuah pemerintahan itu perlu yang namanya nilai-nilai religius. Nilai-nilai yang tergantung pada syariat-syariat agama. Itu sangat penting dalam sistem pemerintahan. The profile of Abdullah Hemahua. Abdullah Hemahua is academic, currently an anti-corruption activist from Maluku. Abdullah Hemahua seorang akademik, seorang penasehat, dan seorang yang anti korupsi. Beliau adalah aktivis dari Maluku. He is known as the figure who consistently voice the importance of religious value in state fair. Beliau ini adalah seorang yang konsisten menyuarakan tentang pentingnya sebuah agama itu. His academic background is Islamic law and state administration. Di dalam sebuah hukum Islam dan administrasinya. In addition to his academic activity, Abdullah Hemahua is also greatly involved in the national anti-corruption movement, included through his role as an advisor to the Corruption Eradication Commission (KPK). His ideas are often reflecting this discourse on the ethics of the power and integrity of public officials. Beliau adalah anggota dari salah satu lembaga yang ada di Indonesia, yaitu KPK, yang mana beliau sangat-sangat mendukung dan sangat-sangat menjunjung tinggi nilai agama dalam suatu lembaga politik. Beliau adalah seorang penasehat yang ada di dalamnya. The thing, Abdullah Hemahua has a basic thing. According to Abdullah Hemahua, religion is not just a ritual of the worship, but a guideline for life that must be reflected in social and political behavior. Power in the view of religion is a mandate for the which one will be held accountable, but both in this world and in the hereafter. It applies that when religious is parted from the practical of power, public official will be easily template to absurd authority. Therefore, the value of honestly, trustworthiness, and justice must be the main foundation in administration of the stage. Abdullah memiliki pemikiran tentang masalah korupsi yang ada di Indonesia. Faktor yang mempengaruhi adalah sebuah refleksi sosial tentang kepercayaan bahwa politik itu bersih. Kekuatan agama inilah sebagai pandangan yang akan menjadikan sebuah accountable both in this world in this hereafter. Jadi sebuah pandangan agama ini yang menyongsong sebuah tindakan yang akan kita lakukan nantinya. View on corruption. Abdullah Mahuaha views corruption as a grave is in Islam. Corruption is not merely a violation of the law, but from of virtually of the people trust and depression of this right of this community. Is Islamic teaching corruption is in line with the concept of gulul, which is embezzlement or misuse of public property. This age not only harm that stage, but also undermines the value of justice with social inequality and destroy the nation moral. The root of corruption according to Hemahua. Root of corruption. Root of corruption make be using our people. Abdullah Mawa believed that the main roots of corruption are moral crisis, weak pride. Jadi pemikiran Abdullah Mawa, kenapa terjadinya sebuah korupsi itu, apa akar penyebab dari sebuah korupsi itu, yaitu adalah moral crisis and weak fight. Krisis terhadap moral dan kurangnya pengertian tentang agama. Men of shall have intelligence and legal knowledge, but this is not accompanied by interrogating and fear of God. In addition, religion education that is only from its nature without any appreciation of value also contributed to the practice of corruption. A culture that is premises toward a corrupt practice reinforces the notion that corruption is normal and tolerable. Roles Abdullah Mahwa is the KPK. Abdullah Mahwa once served as a member of the KPK advisory committee, particularly during the early days of the institution establishment. His role was to provide advice, ethical perspective, and moral reinforcement in the KPK execution of its duty. He viewed the KPK is not only as a law enforcement agency, but also as a symbol of the nation's moral in the fight against corruption. Therefore, the interrogating of the KPK was a major concrete in his thinking. Achievement and corroboration at the KPK and role in public education. This is the time at advisor to the KPK, Abdullah Mahwaha was known as a frame and a courageous figure. His openly stated statement to weak the KPK, but took political intervention and politicals that reduced the institution independencies. In addition, he also emphasized the importance of maintaining moral and ethical of the KPK leaders and employees. According to him, an anti-corruption agency will only be strong if it is filled with the people who are moral clean. Role in public education. Abdullah Mahwa actively gave lecture wider opinion pieces and confuse anti-corruption ideal to the wider community. Abdullah Imam Wahab menyuarakan dan menulis sebuah pendapat yang mana berkesinambungan tentang anti-corruption, tentang pandangan bahwa kita tuh harus memiliki anti korupsi di dalam hidup kita, to wider communicate, untuk menyuarakan tentang hal positif bagi lembaga itu. His accord get the public to view corruption as a common enemy, not merely individual mistake, has also unpleasant that adequate corruption will not be success without public participation. Collective awareness and social control are important part of building an anti-corruption culture. Okay, the conclusion, Abdullah Imam Wahab views the corruption as a serious moral and spiritual issue. Eradicated corruption will not be success if it's really social on the law without strengthening religious value at ethnics. Abdullah Imam Wahab thinking show that the Indonesian people need a strong legal system and people we interrogated. Religions has a strategic role in building moral awareness to release clean and fair govern science. Okay, thank you for attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.